Hello again, welcome back to my Creative African Cooking channel. I am Grace Annobel. So today's video is the final recipe on my Bulgur wheat series. Okay, so on the menu today is Bulgur wheat porridge, but then this comes with a twist, and that twist is me adding cinnamon stick and vanilla extract to my porridge. And also, instead of using water, I used milk for preparing this. All right, so let's talk through the ingredients and get started. Here I have 1 cup of broken bulgur wheat, a pinch of salt to taste, a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use any sugar that you have available. I'll also be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract to that, and 3 cups of whole milk. I'm using whole milk because my daughter will be having some of this, so you can use skimmed or semi-skimmed one if you are dieting. And then a cinnamon stick. So in my pot or my saucepan, I will add 3 cups of whole milk. And that's the first cup. Okay, measure the second one. And then finally the third one. I'll then bring this to a boil. Okay, so at this point my milk is boiling, so I will then add my washed bulgur and give this a good stir. At this point I'm adding my salt, give it a good stir, and leave this to cook for about 5 minutes. So next I'm adding my cinnamon sticks to that. I'll stir it again. I don't want my bulgur to get stuck under my pot. Okay, I don't want it to get stuck at the bottom of my pot. That's why I keep stirring it. Alright, so at this point I'm going to add a tablespoon of my brown sugar. I'll give this a good stir and leave this to cook for about 5 minutes. Right guys, so at this point my bulgur wheat is getting there. I'm now going to add my vanilla extract. I'll be adding about a teaspoonful of that, and then give it a good stir. Turn the heat down to the lowest setting, and then leave this on for about 3 minutes. Right, so now my bulgur wheat porridge is ready to be served. This is actually flavor packed. Yes, it is. The cinnamon sticks has given it that amazing flavor, and the vanilla extract has yes. So yeah, now my bulgur wheat porridge is ready. I'm going to enjoy this. So that is my breakfast. Guys, so that's it for today's video, and this is the final episode of my Bulgur wheat series. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one, guys. Bye bye.